How to use Asana for client management. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use your Asana board or your Asana dashboard as a client management setup. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over asana.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to be on the, as you can see here on the board. Now, what I am going to do next is going to be very simple. What are we going to do, or what can we do basically on Sana, is to create projects. And if we're going to talk about client management, it is going to be a project. So we are going to create it as a mini project, not a whole one, but it is going to be the case. So we are going to head over the more, as you can see, templates. So it is going to suggest for you options or templates. We're going to select HR. And from here, we're going to find all of the templates, or at least 6 templates. It is not going to be a big of a deal. So we are going to choose, for example, a candidate tracking. We can go ahead and have it as a client management. We're going to create that project just like that. Why I have chosen this template, basically it is going to give you the Kanban view or the board view. So we can have the list, we can have whatever task that we have, it is going to be right there. So I'm going to change the names here as client, for example, 1. I'm going to give you only examples, client. And we're going to have this like that, client 2. This one is going to be client 3. This one 4, like that, and etc. So you can go ahead and use the board view like that. You can see that we have instructions for each one of the clients. Then we are going to have them just set up like that. So let me add some tasks, and here you can see that we have added some tasks. This is going to be a task, so it has subtasks. We do not need subtasks right there, so basically I'm going to delete this permanently. It is going to be something related to here, so I'm going to add a task like task, for example, 2. We can go ahead and take it wherever we want. So this is going to be the right way to have everything in hand. So I can add some tasks. Task 2, for example, are going to have task 3. Basically, I'm naming these because we have not other nomination than tasks, but basically it is not going to be a task. For example, the client management, this is going to be like having the client information. Like you're going to have, for example, description of the client, what their project onto your board is. For example, you can add subtasks, add notes like having phone numbers, email addresses, direct contacts, one-on-one meetings, whatever. And this is going to be the case. And for these, or the task that I have added, maybe it could be the task that we have for the client. Maybe we're going to have to assign a person. Just this one, we're going to have get the details from the client. We're going to have it like this. So details and something like that. You can go ahead and do this for the client management. Do not forget that you're going to have this. So this is not instruction. For example, Jack Smith and Jack Smith F. I don't know here, something like that. Gmail.com. We're going to have it like this, and boom. The type of project, something like that. A little disclaimer, guys. Everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, are created for the sake of the video, not for anything else. Make sure that you're going to use your own information to set up the thing right there. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.